In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for updates in the new Outlook. The new Outlook for Windows updates automatically, which means there isn't a check for updates option inside the app itself. This can be a bit confusing, especially if you're used to other applications where you manually check for updates. Instead, to ensure you have the latest version, you'll need to access the Microsoft Store. This is the go-to place for managing app updates on your Windows device. It's designed to keep your apps, including Outlook, current and secure. Knowing this can save you time in the long run. Now, let's get started. First, you need to open the Microsoft Store. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. From there, type Microsoft Store in the search bar and select it from the results. Once the store opens, you will see a clean, user-friendly interface filled with various apps and games. This is your gateway to all things apps on Windows. Opening the Microsoft Store is crucial because it allows you to manage not only Outlook but also any other applications you have installed. Once you have the Microsoft Store open, the next step is to click on the library. You can find the library option in the sidebar on the left side of the store window. This section is where you can see all of your installed apps and games. It's important to navigate to the library because it gives you access to the updates available for all the applications currently on your device. You'll see a variety of options here, but focus on the updates as they keep your apps running smoothly and securely. After you click on Library, the next action is to click Get Updates. This button is usually found at the top right of the library section. When you click this, the store will automatically check for any updates available for your installed apps, including Outlook. You will see a loading indicator as the store searches for updates. This action is vital because it ensures that any improvements, bug fixes, or new features are downloaded to your Outlook application. Keeping your software updated is essential for optimal performance and security. At this point, if an update for Outlook New is available, you will see it listed among the updates. You can simply click on the Install button next to Outlook to start the installation process. This step is crucial as installing updates helps to resolve potential issues and enhances your overall experience with the app. Once you click Install, you may see a progress bar indicating that the update is being downloaded and installed. This makes sure your changes are saved and that Outlook is running its best version. After the update finishes installing, you can close the Microsoft Store. Your Outlook application should now be updated to the latest version, ensuring you have all the new features and improvements. You can open Outlook and check that everything is working smoothly. You may notice improved performance or new functionalities that enhance your productivity. Following these steps regularly helps maintain your applications and ensures you are protected against any vulnerabilities. So remember to keep an eye on updates. Regular updates are not just about new features. They often include important security patches as well. This keeps your data safe and your software functioning correctly. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to check for updates in the new Outlook. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Happy emailing!